In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you this needle felting pastel pumpkins kit, a test and review. If this interests you, then you're on the right video, so let's get right on into it. Welcome to today's video, the test and review of this pastels pumpkin kit from Mykalee. My name is Iceland, and on this channel, Snowflake Forest Felting, I share needle felting videos, tutorials, and more. I'm going to be your host today, and a few things before we get started. I want to make sure that if you're looking for everything about this kit, I'm going to have it all linked for you. There's going to be a couple videos, so the one prior, the unboxing, you can see everything in it, and then the following one, a time lapse. So in this one, you'll see me testing the kit, making the pumpkins, and then I'm going to share with you what I think about it. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And I want to say a huge thank you to those of you who have subscribed since my last video. The support here really does mean so much to me. And if you want to take it a next level, you can hit that thanks button, show your gratitude that way. It really does help support me here and this channel and bringing more content to you all. So now let's get into today's video. I'm going to start off with showing you really quick everything that's inside it. Inside the kit here, we have the instructions and 2 felting needles, all nice and safe, a little foam pad to protect the surface as well as the needles, and the 3 color wool options as well as some for the stem. Now let's get started on felting these pastel pumpkins. I'm going to unroll the wool here and then turn it into a ball so I can start felting it into a pumpkin here. I'm just going to keep piercing this over and over. We'll create a top and a bottom and the ridges and all of that here. Set this aside, show you it a little closer here, and now it is time to work on the next pumpkin. I'm going to use this peachier pink color here. Absolutely love it. Same thing. On to the next pumpkin. Get this yellowy orange color of wool for that. And then give it that final overall felt. And just like that, the last pumpkin is done, and I'll show it to you here a little closer. And there you have it. There are all 3 pumpkins done and complete together. That kit. What a fun kit. I think this is an absolutely wonderful kit. As you can see, my pumpkins came out amazing. There was everything in there that I needed to make all 3, plus extra wool if I made any mistakes. I do feel like it was hard to get the wool super smooth like I have here with the wool I created. I know different types of wool can be a factor into that, but I think that also is kind of like the way the picture looks, that's not super smooth as well, and I actually did a pretty amazing job getting it there. I just felt like it was taking forever. It could be a needle type thing, who knows. Either way, they're perfect, they match. I love them. It was so fun. I really enjoyed making these pumpkins. Thank you so much for sending this to me to test and review and share with everyone here. I absolutely love it and had so much fun. And then I could have made them a little bit larger. I did not use all the wool. I almost have enough to make a second one, but I wanted to make them as cute and little like they were on the front here. I truly loved making this. Don't forget, I have it linked for you if you want to go and check out more. Alright, that's it for today's needle felting video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thanks button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, check out the other videos on this pumpkin kit. And again, I have everything linked for you. Drop a comment. I always come back and respond because I really do love showing up for you guys as much as you are showing up for me. So thank you for the support here. I'll see you in the next one, and happy felting, everyone. Aloha. Bye.